Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revolution. So today we're going to learn how to boil groundnuts and then we'll make a simple chaat or salad out of it. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. So here I've taken a bowl filled with water and into this we'll be adding a pinch of turmeric and salt. This is to disinfect the groundnuts because there will be a lot of dirt on it. I had washed the groundnuts before disinfection and we'll allow this to sit in this water for at least 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, drain off this water and then wash it thoroughly 2 to 3 times and then add it into a pressure cooker. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 glasses of water. Here I've taken 500 grams of groundnuts, so I'll be adding 2 glasses of water. Now close the pressure cooker and cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes or up to 3 to 5 whistles. Once cooked, allow the pressure cooker to depressurize itself and we'll check the groundnuts. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. So I'll show you one groundnut. You can see that it has cooked really well. It has become soft at the same time. It is crunchy as well. So in this way we will extract all the nuts. So here our boiled groundnuts are ready. You can enjoy this as it is along with some chai or tea, or I will teach you to make a simple chaat or snack out of it. So here I've cut few veggies. I've cut capsicum, tomato, cucumber and onions. To this we will add our boiled groundnuts. If you like spicy, you can add chillies. Here I'll be adding 2 green chillies finely chopped. Next we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, fiber and protein. So it is good to add a teaspoon to your salads every day. Next we'll add a bunch of coriander leaves finely chopped. A pinch of salt. We've already added salt while boiling groundnuts, so we'll add just a pinch. 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala. Freshly squeezed lemon juice. A tablespoon of sev. This is completely optional but it will add a crunch to your salad. 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now mix this really well and enjoy it during your tea time or whenever you're feeling hungry and you want to have something crunchy but at the same time healthy. I hope you all liked this recipe. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.